never right. Here I am. Here I am. I am ashamed. You cannot fathom. All of the ashes are eyes. You can run, but you can't hide. Breath on your skin, never right. Here I am. Here I am. A force to be reckoned with. A blade you've been messing with. Oh, here I He said, let's get out of this town, drive out of the city, away from the crowds. I thought heaven can't help me now.
Bali, andiyan makanya mo kasi, halos alalakwan ko ni, kahit talayo pamangking edad no. Yan ang diliking bale, makanyan, agyo na ning sarili no, biyasa ning kimot. Panakit ko maging kalupag yung kay palaban.
Say you'll remember me, standing in a nice dress, staring at the sunset, babe. Red lips and rosy cheeks. Say you'll see me again, even if it's just in your wildest dreams. Wildest dreams.
Hi Trish, happy birthday. Love you. Basta happy birthday, stay pretty. Yun lang po. Love you.
His clothes are in the room, and his voice is a familiar sound. Nothing lasts forever, but this is getting good now.
Nga pa kayo ko kaya sana ay tagyagan na ganang masanting ikawa na. Kitang nung nanong dream na go for it. Proud na proud ko po kayo.
Say you'll remember me, standing in a nice dress, staring at the sunset, babe. Red lips and rosy cheeks. Say you'll see me again, even if it's just in your wildest dreams.
Trish, welcome to Legal Age. Wish ko mo kaya ka sana, ako marinay kaya kami, the Manalo fam, kasi welcome na welcome ka kaya. Ito mo, happy birthday!
Down. Someday when you leave me, I bet these memories follow you around. You see me in hindsight, tangled up with you all night, burning it down. Someday when you leave me, I bet these memories follow you.
Happy birthday, Trish. Sana masaya kang yung birthday mo. At sana yan may pa yung pamag-aral mo at saka sobrang may mama at saka itat.
Happy birthday, Trisha! We love you! Happy birthday, Trisha! Happy birthday, Trisha! We love you!
Say you'll remember me, standing in a nice dress, staring at the sunset, babe. Red lips and rosy cheeks. Say you'll see me again, even if it's just pretend. Just pretend. Dreams your wildest dreams. Even if it's just in your wildest dreams. Wildest dreams.
Lady of the Hour, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating lovely debutante, Trisha May David!
Chase the light. I wanna chase the light. Trish. Sana a-appreciate mo nga niya ganang effort na rin makapagduro na tao susuporta niya. Ikaw mo, bawasan mo bagay ka siya sa lubod ko.
Till it comes. We can break through at a time like this. We can push on when it all goes wrong. One of these days. Chase the light. I wanna chase the light. Pushing back the night. I wanna chase the light. I wanna feel alive till the bright sky is out. I wanna chase the light.
I wish happy 18th birthday. Wish ko sana lagi ka maging good girl ng mama mo tsaka kay Tito Alex mo. And aryan mo yung pamag-aral.
Happy 18th birthday, Trish. Trish ko sana tupad mo hanggang pangarap mo. Tsaka sana, kahit mo kayo ng milyari, anytime na kailangan mo kami, hindi kami darang mo. Tandaan mo lagi kami ng trivia. I love you.
Trish, sana aryan mo pa yung pamag-aral mo, ka pa makiasawa. Okay lang itang mag-boyfriend-boyfriend, pero sana limit. Basta lagi kong mga tsugeni para kaya kabalo mo naman ita. Kahit lagi kang makakamwa ka ako, lagi ka tang mipapate, itang Tom and Jerry ka to. Pero balo mo, kaluguran da ka.
I wanna feel alive till the bright sky is out. Until the morning breaks and we shine like a star. I wanna chase the light. I wanna chase the
Happy birthday, Trish. I love you. Nga.